wanted to create images that look exactly like you, now with evyAI, you're able to do that very, very quickly. And I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process to do this without feeling overwhelmed. My name is Joe Applebaum. I'm the CEO of evyAI. It's a sales assistant that will help you be able to get the more out of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, even your email. Any place that you want to be having success, we're going to help you do that. And the way that we do that is by helping you generate content, organize your network, assist you with templates, and now we just added image generation. Not any image generation, the latest technology called Nano Banana. It's all built into evyAI now in a very special way. So for example, in this picture right over here, as you can see, this looks exactly like me. All I needed to do is just put this selfie of me into evyAI, and then I told it to capture a shoulders up portrait of this exact creative professional wearing a deep green silk shirt with an unconventional asymmetrical blazer in textured charcoal fabric. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create a series of images, and each image that I create, I'm actually going to put that image into a LinkedIn article, and then I'm going to email that LinkedIn article to the world. So this is how we're going to do it. And by the way, if you want to leave comments for people, you can literally just go into a comment box, push this little button here, and it'll generate a comment and just insert it in just seconds. See the way I just left her a comment just like that? Really powerful. Okay, so let's go ahead and write an article. So the first step to writing an article is clicking the Write Article button right there. Now I want to create a cover image for the article. So in this case, I'm going to click on Create a Cover Image. I'm actually going to click on Pictures, and I'm going to click on Drop on Polish Photos. I do think I created a collage in Picasa. I'm going to go to Picasa, Collages, and I'm going to click on that. Okay, and that's going to be a photo. Okay, so this is my cover image. How to create perfect headshots of yourself using AI and evyAI image generation technology. Okay, and this I'm going to say create the perfect headshots with evyAI. I'm going to say with AI using evyAI. Okay. Now I'm going to write the email here, and I'm going to actually speak to it. Have you ever considered creating a headshot, but you weren't sure where to start? Well, now you can use our technology to be able to create headshots quickly. In this article, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process that I go through in order to create the perfect headshot. Step number one is I need to make sure that I have really good face shots of myself that I'm really proud of. Okay, so now I'm going to find that folder that I have with all my face shots that I took the other day. Where are my face shots? I could have sworn I had face shots here somewhere. Here we go, face shots. And then instead of doing details, I'm going to do view extra large icons. Okay, these are good. I'm going to take a screenshot of this using a screenshot tool. All right, let's do this. Let's create a quick screenshot of this. Okay, I'm going to copy this screenshot and I'm going to paste it right here. Okay, now that we have our base photo, we're going to go through it and we're going to show you exactly what to do. We're going to click on image gen and we are going to find the perfect, I'm going to say step 2 is find the perfect prompt to use with evyAI. We have lots of prompts. Okay, now we're going to grab the prompts. We're going to grab the prompts right from here. We're going to click on templates. Where are the templates? Templates. And then we're going to click on image generation templates. And we're going to click on 50 at a time. And then I'm going to open up each one. All right. So we're going to first do creative director artistic portrait. And we're going to put it into LinkedIn here. And then I'm going to go back here, copy this, and then go into LinkedIn. I'm actually going to put this right next to it. I'm going to bold this. Then I'm going to download this image. I'm going to grab this image. Put it in here. Oop, I don't know what happened there. Oh, here it is. I don't know why I can't copy and paste this. Oh, it's not letting me. If you guys have questions about this, let me know because this was really, really easy to do. I don't know if you guys see how nice this photo is of me here. Let me go to my LinkedIn just to see if anybody's asking me any questions. If you want me to make some headshots of you, just say, Joe, make me some headshots. My team are making headshots for people. We're making lots of headshots. And by the way, let me know if you're watching live. Let me know where in the world you're dialing in from. Curious to know where you guys are at right now. All right, let me finish writing this article. Let's just see how many prompts we have here. I'm going to go back to templates. I'm going to go back to image prompts. I'm going to go back to 50 at a time. Then I'm going to right click on this one. And I'm going to do open in new page. Let's see if we can open a new page. Can I do that? Right click on this. It doesn't let me open in a new page. How annoying is that? Yeah, we're going to have to do it from the side panel. We're just going to insert them from the side panel here. That'll be faster. Go here, click on image prompts. Image prompts. I'm going to load up all the image prompts here. And now we're going to insert them into the article one at a time. Watch. We did the creative director. We're going to do this one. This is called the modern day industry portrait. Then we're going to do, that's a modern day industry portrait. Then we're going to do the golden hour executive portrait. And then we're going to insert this. Then we're going to do the high key bright studio insert. Then we're going to do, let's see what else. We have the golden hour rooftop, insert. Then we have the minimalist studio profile, insert. Then we're going to have the library thought leader, insert. Then we're going to have the wide angle office overview, insert. Then we're going to have the executive close-up portrait, insert. Then we're going to have the team builder, insert. Then we're going to have the global executive, insert. Then we're going to have the client focused advisor, insert. Then we're going to have the innovative thinker, insert. Then we're going to have the presentation professional. I like this one. Insert. We're going to have the collaborative leader. Insert. Then we're going to have the dynamic professional. Insert. Then we're going to have the approachable executive. And then we're going to have the strategic thinker. And then we're going to have the confident leader. Okay, we have all these amazing prompts there. Now we're going to take each one of these prompts and turn them into an image using the evyAI image generation technology. So each one of these we're going to bold, and then after each one, we'll turn it into an image. So we'll start with this one. I'm going to paste this in here. I'm going to grab an image. We're going to go to pictures, photos of Joe Apfelbaum. Let's see which ones we have. We have so many photos of me. We have Detroit selfies, baby photos, AI headshots. Apfelbaum AI training face photos. So we have face photos and we have new face photos. Okay, we'll do this one here and we're going to do create. This one's the modern tech portrait. Let's just see if we can, how long it takes to create this image here. I like it. I'm going to press copy. I'm going to press paste. So easy. I just press the copy button here and then I just pasted it right into evyAI. And I'm going to say modern tech industry portrait. Okay, done. Next one, we're going to create a stream close-up of Shoulders exact business executive wearing a rich burgundy silk shirt with coal blazer complemented with subtle gold jewelry positioned against a warm gradient. Okay, we're going to do that. Paste this here and then hit generate. This is keeping this original photo here. And I just changed the text. I'm going to press enter here. I'm going to make this bold. Oop, Control Z, Control B. I'm going to go ahead and press copy this. Paste this in. Okay, let's compare. Wow, this looks so like me. Okay, so we did that. Now we're going to do this one. Hard and white stool. Everything should be pristinely white. Blazer, white, everything white. Only contrast the hair. All right, so for this, we're going to clear this out completely. We're going to pick another photo. So instead of picking 5, I'm going to say, let's pick number 1. I kind of like that one there for this, for the white. So generate. Let's just see what happens here. This should look good. I love that I can just copy these photos and just use them in seconds. You know what I mean? Press copy like this and then paste it right in here. I love that I can do that. That makes me so happy. It makes me so happy. And I'm building a whole collection of photos. I Key Bright Studio. I-Key Bright Studio. Okay, next. Position the person in a modern building during golden hour. I'm going to press create. Let's just see what happens there. Excellent. This is an excellent photo of me. Paste it right here. Golden, rooftop golden hour. Rooftop golden. Okay, that's rooftop golden hour. Now I'm going to do minimalist studio profile. I'm going to change the photo. I want to change the photo a little bit. I'm going to change it to this one here. I'm going to paste this and hit go. All right, this is a create a striking profile shot with a white seamless background. The person should be looking towards the side of the frame in a confident look. All right, let's just see what that looks like. I don't even know what that's going to look like. So now what I'm doing is I am just creating image after image, and you see how quickly I'm making these images of myself and kind of sharing them with these prompts. You see, these are pretty incredible images. This is the executive close-up portrait. Now, my team, when they make these images, they take a long time to kind of put these together. They don't just do it in 2 seconds. They like sit there and will create 10 or 15 of the same, kind of like what they did up here. and then they will pick the best one. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and they'll pick the best one. If you want a virtual photo shoot done for you, that's what they'll kind of do. And they'll make 100 different photos versus me just making one photo right now and just putting it up just like this. You know, like this one doesn't quite look like me, you see? But it's fine. I'm just putting it up just to show, just to kind of show you. They're not all going to be exactly great unless you're using great photos of yourself. I really like this one here. I'm going to do this sitting at the edge of the chair, one hand extended. I don't even know how many of these are. Oh my God, there's so many. I got a bunch more to go. Oh my God, I even kept my shirt in the original photo. That is a good photo of me. And it kept my shirt. It just gave me long sleeves instead of short sleeves. This is such a good shirt. The team builder. So good. Global executive. Let's do that one. Same person. All right, let's remove this photo. I don't like that I'm wearing like a thing over my neck on this photo, so we're gonna go with this one here and see what it looks like with the person sitting in a comfortable chair, slightly leaning forward. I would totally redo this photo, but for the sake of leaving it, I'm just gonna leave it. I'm doing the one take on each just to kind of show you, but I typically wouldn't. That's not the photo that I would keep. Not all the photos are gonna be perfect just off the bat. This is a good photo. Mindful stick advisor. See, kind of keeps the same clothing that I put on original. Let's put the innovative thinker. See what this one has. With a whiteboard on a wall. Oh, look at that. My shirt say on it there. Wonder what my shirt says. Wow, that really looks like me. And it says GoDaddy on it. That's insane. Wow, amazing. Let's do the presentation professional. Oh, shoots. What happened to this? Presentation professional will be this one here. I'm actually really excited about having all these amazing photos of myself available. Copy. Ooh, look how many people are behind me. This is very good. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this photo. I love this photo. That's my shirt too. Very well done. Let's look at this one here. I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to add a different photo. I'll do this one here. Create. Position the person leaning against a modern desk or edge with arms uncrossed, resting on the surface. Body is relaxed but upright with one ankle crossed over the other. Ooh, I like that. Oh, man. That's good. What is it? The collaborative leader. And there's the dynamic professional, the approachable executive, the strategic thinker, and the confident leader. All right, let's grab this one here. I'm going to remove this photo. Don't love that one. I'm going to use this one again. I have the person mid-stride walking. All right, let's see what it does. This is me mid-stride walking. I'm going to copy this, paste it into LinkedIn. Let's see what I look like. Not bad. Not bad. The dynamic professional, the approachable executive. All right, this one is going to have a completely different vibe. I put this photo there. Hit create. Then we only have the strategic thinker and the confident leader left after this. See what I look like there. The approachable executive. Wow. Wow. Held tilted slightly to one side with a genuine warm smile. Okay, this is good. This is the approachable executive. Okay, now we're going to do the strategic thinker. For this one, we should use a little bit of a different base photo than that one. This one's like friendly. We want to be a little more strategic here. So we're going to use, let's see, we're going to use this photo here. I kind of like that one for being strategic. Let's just see what it does. Let's see what it does. Second to the last photo. We're almost done. We are almost done. Is there an extra space here? Ooh, I like this photo. So diverse. These photos are so diverse. I love how clear they are. The strategic thinker. The strategic thinker. And then there's a the confident leader. Okay. Let's see what this one looks like. We're going to use a different photo. We'll use this one here. We haven't used that one yet. Let's see what it does. Position the person standing feet shoulder width apart, body aligned 15 degrees while the face is looking at the camera. Arms are crossed at chest level. Relax and boom, boom, boom. Ooh, this is good. This is good. And we're done.
Want to make networking easier and more effective? Try evyAI, your AI-powered sidekick that helps you connect, engage, and grow your network faster than ever. Click the link and start building smarter relationships today.